Hello. After eating banana from your kitchen, do you throw the peels away? Fresh banana and plantain peels, ripe ones, are useful. In this particular video, I want to give you how to boost broiler growth and weight fast with banana and plantain peels, ripe ones. Cheap natural feed formula and growth booster for your broiler and poultry birds. It is a strong booster. Stop buying synthetic boosters from the market when you can get this from your kitchen. Are you still spending heavily on synthetic growth boosters for your poultry? What if I should tell you that there is a great booster from your kitchen that can give you rapid broiler weight gain, that is already in your kitchen as a trash? You have it in your kitchen as a trash. Most of you trash this and throw it away into the bush or into the dustbin. Ripe banana and plantain peels are no longer waste. They are liquid gold for your poultry growth. Cut feed costs and grow healthier, heavy birds, 100% natural. In just 5 days, watch your broilers grow bigger with this simple ripe banana and plantain peel juice formula. Just prepare it and give to your poultry birds. In this particular video, we are going to get the nutritional values of ripe banana and plantain peel juice for poultry, how to prepare it to make it potent for your poultry birds, the exact dosage and how to administer it to your poultry and livestock animals, why this method cut costs and boost profits for your poultry birds and farmers around you. Watch the video till the end. If this particular topic interests you, please give it a thumb up. And at the same time, try and share this video link to other poultry farmers around you, to your groups and platforms. Many of our fans are not sharing our videos. You are not a patriotic farmer. In fact, you don't have reason for me to be here for you. Share our videos. Let other poultry farmers get the same knowledge from this particular platform. Thank you. Let's get there. In today's video, I am revealing a powerful natural secret hidden in ripe banana and plantain peels juice. A simple home remedy and a trash from your kitchen that can give you very fast and rapid growth for your broiler birds, give you maximum weight gain without spending on expensive commercial feed boosters or growth boosters. If you are a poultry or livestock farmer trying to reduce feed cost, reduce cost of running your poultry and livestock animals, and at the same time increasing your production, this is the ultimate natural hack you need to adopt in your poultry farm using kitchen waste. Most of all these trashes you get from your kitchen that you throw away, you want to maximize your profit. Stop behaving like a big man, a rich man. When you're a poultry farmer, you need to grab most of all these things. Don't throw them away. Convert them into usable format for your poultry and livestock animals. All these peas, both onions peas, ripe banana and plantain peas, potato peas, and rest of them, don't just throw them away. Most of them, grind them, dry them, and use for them for feed. In this particular video series, I'm going to show you all this, how you're going to make use of them so that you get the best and at the same time increase your production and at the same time profit. The aim of running poultry is not to show people that you have chicken in your house. It's for you to maximize your profit so that you get enough profit for you to continue investing in other areas. So in this particular video right away, what I'm showing you here now is the nutritional value of this banana and plantain peas, the ripe one, how you're going to make use of them to boost your broiler growth and weight. They have a lot of vitamins and minerals that are there, which you don't need to trash them again any longer, convert them into feed. You don't need to go to the market and buy them for the purpose of this. Most of the times you eat banana in your house, don't throw them away. Most of these things, after knowing the value, you don't need to throw them away any longer. Let's get there in this particular. What are the nutritional composition of fresh and ripe banana and plantain peels juice in poultry and livestock? Banana and plantain peels are packed with essential nutrients and minerals that support broiler and livestock growth. Here is the breakdown of the nutritional values. One is crude protein. It has 6 to 9% crude protein, which helps to grow the muscle and body repairs in poultry and livestock animals. Remember that the meat you need is in the muzzle of your poultry and livestock animals. If you check their leg muscle, that's where chest muscle, everywhere, that's where they get the real meat. Crude fiber, 12 to 15% crude fiber, which aid digestion and gut health. It has carbohydrates 59 to 65%, which provides energy for them to eat and for them to live. It has fat 3 to 5%, which boosts energy reserves. It has calcium 40 to 60 milligram per every 100 gram, which helps in bone development. It has phosphorus 30 to 40 milligram per every 100 gram, which helps in cell function and growth. It has potassium 330 to 370 milligram per every 100 gram, which helps in muscle activity and hydration. It has magnesium 20 to 30 milligram per every 100 gram, which improve immunity and metabolism. It has vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and vitamin E, which improves immunity, skin, and digestive poultry. It has tannins and antioxidants, which helps as natural disease fighters in their body. All these are what this particular fruit juice contains. When you are using the West, you can see it has enough minerals, it has enough vitamins, it has enough protein that can help to grow your livestock animals. No wonder cattle rearers don't play with this. Anywhere they see most of all these pigs, they take their cattle there, they will eat up all this. You see how cattle grow fatter and bigger. Now, how to prepare banana and plantain pea juice for broilers and other livestock animals. Step-by-step process. 1. Collect, as you have seen it here, collect fresh one, ripe banana and plantain peas. It's yellow in color. You can see it. It's light yellow in color. Then, slightly wash them completely. After washing them, slice them into smaller units. If you have kitchen knife, cut them into smaller units. If you don't have, you have blender. After washing them, please put them inside your blender and blend it thoroughly. On the blender and blend it thoroughly. Add little water, maybe 1 liter of water to blend it thoroughly. After blending it, filter it. After filtering it, you can now preserve it. Either preserve it for future use or you use it immediately, depending on the number of birds you have. But make sure you sieve it first, sieve it and filter it completely so that the juice will come out, so that there will be nothing like decomposition or fermentation process going on. Once you leave the leftover, if you didn't filter it, fermentation process will take over and it's going to change the chemical composition of this particular juice. So filter it and keep the juice alone. Trash out. You can give the raw one to your chicken. If you have duck, they eat all this, and even turkey can eat the chaff after filtering the juice. Now store in a cool container for use, or you can refrigerate it up to 3 to 4 days. How do you make use of it now? For broilers 3 to 8 weeks old, 50 to 70 ml of fresh juice per liter of water. Administer once daily, 5 to 7 days for maximum results. This is how we did it here also. We used to get all this. We have the plantain, we have the banana and plantain farm here. When we harvest our banana, we eat it, and we don't trash anything out. We use them, convert them to booster also. Then for growers and layers, 80 to 100 ml per liter of water for 3 to 5 days. Every 2 weeks, give it to them. For goat, sheep, pig, and other four-legged animals, administer 100 to 200 milligram. Mix it in their feed or the water daily. Give them in their water daily for 5 days as growth and health booster. Best time to give it early in the morning when the birds or the animals are active and feeling very fine. The time you are giving them that morning feed is when you administer. After the morning feed, give it to them, they will eat it and they will drink it completely. Stop seeing banana and plantain peas as waste, please. Start treating them as an asset to your poultry and livestock business. With this simple juice, you will not only reduce the cost of running your poultry and growing your poultry birds, but you will maximize the best and achieve the best result in getting them bigger and heavier in short period of time. You get better health and higher profit, natural and affordable, without stress. Ripe fresh banana and plantain peas work fast because of the carbohydrate content and minerals, which help birds utilize better feed, store more body fat and muscles, and recover fast from stress or disease. You still start seeing results better appetite, improve weight gain, and better energy within 3 to 5 days. Nature has given us all we need. It is time we use it wisely. Don't play with it any longer. Thank you for watching the video. Share the video to reach more farmers. Give it a thumb up. And if you have any question regarding this particular topic or any other topic, drop it in the comment section also. Thank you is good enough to help us continue giving you the best. Thank you for watching. Share the video and let's continue from there. For now, till the next video is uploaded, I say bye. Make sure you subscribe to the both channels. Poultry TV and Dr. Lena Chas will share our videos one to each and every one of them. If you don't subscribe here, you will not get the video from there. Bye.